How you going? It's Richard from Offroad Touring Life. How you going? It's Richard from Offroad Touring Life, and today I am out in the Marysville State Forest area. Just brought the girls out, got Maisie and Chloe out with me today. Now we're making our way across towards Keppel's Lookout, and we've actually ran off the edge of the map, and we just kept following this road. We climbed up. At the moment we're about, I think we're about 1,070 metres above sea level. So we come across this gate here. We're on the edge of the O'Shanassy catchment, so we're just about to back, turn around, follow the forestry roads back out. It's July the 7th today. Weather's quite good, but we're just out having a drive around, so hopefully you enjoy it. Throughout the afternoon we did happen to come across a few of these small trees and saplings across the road, but they didn't pose any problems for us at all. This one spot here, we were just driving along, saw this big clearing, so we thought we'd better go check this out. So we jumped out of the car, went for a walk, and just enjoyed the views right out across the mountains in front of us there. Considering it is July, the road conditions were really good. Wasn't too muddy or boggy. We didn't see any other cars the whole time we were travelling around up there. It was like we had the whole place to ourselves. Being not too far from Marysville, it was quite surprising. So we just cruised around, just soaked it all up and enjoyed our time up there. As well as the fantastic road conditions in the area, another thing that we did notice was how well the whole area is signposted, which is great and makes navigation around the area quite easy. Alright, so after a few locked gates, backtracking and a few other little detours, and there's all the trees down, we're right at the lookout now, so we'll head down, check it out. Chloe, what's been your most favourite thing of today's trip?
Probably the driving coming up here and going the wrong way.
Going the wrong way? Do you reckon we need maps?
Yeah.
Or get maps that actually cover the areas we're going to?
Yeah.
That's what I reckon as well. Definitely need some maps. Don't you reckon?
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah, we definitely decided that we need to get a map for this area. Obviously, we took a few wrong turns today, but that's all part of it. I've hoped like what you've seen today, so thanks for following along. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, it means a lot to us when you do that. If you want to check out any of our other videos, do that as well. Pop a comment down below if you've got any questions about today's trip or any other trips, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. What do you reckon? Pretty good?
Yep.
Yep. Alright, awesome. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all next time.